Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today I'm heading to the capital of Cambodia,
Phnom Penh.
Yeah, never been to Cambodia before, so my flight's at 1 PM, so gonna head to Changi Airport about 3 hours early. I'll try and check it out. The times I've been there before, I haven't really seen all the sort of the cool shit that's on offer there. Yeah, gonna head to Changi Airport now and keen to check out Cambodia. So I finally arrived in Cambodia, the capital. Still can't pronounce it. Phnom
Penh.
But anyway, I'm staying at the Art Hotel. Cost me about 40 Australian dollars a night. I'm staying here for 3 nights. Coming from the Fullerton, Singapore. This is nothing special, but then again, that's Singapore and that's like a luxury 5-star hotel. Yeah, it's gonna take some time getting used to these types of Southeast Asian countries, but I've been to a lot in the past. Anyway, got this night market here. Gonna check that out. And one thing interesting about Cambodia is that they actually use US dollars as well as their own currency. So yeah, it's kind of interesting. Yeah, probably just gonna relax a bit. Yeah, ease my way into Cambodia. So I'm here chilling in my room and the the power for the aircon actually stopped working, so I'm here sweating my ton off.
Oh, that's hot.
Pretty dehydrated, so gonna head out and hopefully get this battery replaced and need a haircut as well, get some water, get some food. So let's check out Cambodia. So just made it back to the crib, went and got a haircut. Cost me $3 US, so about like an 1/8 of the price that you pay in Australia. But it got my laundry done. That cost me about $5 US for 2 kilos. And yeah, just went and had some street food at the night market. First impressions of Cambodia, the capital. It's definitely very busy, the roads. It reminds me a bit of like Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. Probably a lot worse, like crossing the road. It's like that when you just got to sort of make eye contact with them and just like go for it. In terms of like the facilities and like I feel like it's still a bit underdeveloped compared to a lot of Southeast Asian countries, but in saying that, that's just my first night here. So they pretty much use both currencies at the same time, the Cambodian riel and the US dollar. And it's pretty much 4,000 riel equals $1 US, so you can get like a mixture of both the currencies back as change. Another thing I've noticed is the mobile phone data here, it's not the best. I just got a SIM card then. It only cost me $7 US for 40 gigs of data, and I'm in the capital city right now and it's pretty bad, the connection. It's definitely been humbling going from 2 of the best hotels in Singapore, the Marina Bay Sands and the Fullerton, to this hotel, but I guess you do get what you pay for. But a few things you notice is like the maintenance isn't really kept up, and like this definitely wasn't the best shower of my life. There's not even like a curtain on this side, so yeah, but it was about 40 Australian a night, so pretty good. Yeah, anyway, we've got a full day tomorrow. Gonna check out pretty much all the main sites here in Phnom Penh.
Phnom Penh.
Yeah, anyway, I'll see you in the next vlog.
Phnom Penh.